Good morning, guys. Today's lesson is for Thursday, 14th of May, as well as Friday, 15th of May for week 4. This is not a hard one. You need to read the CV on page 98, which was taken from your DB book, and then also answer the questions on page 99. You need to fill in the information on the CV about yourself. Now, all your work must be done on paper, so remember to look at my handwritten copy. Then after that, also for Friday, please mark your work by using the memorandum for week 4. Please take note of your mistakes and make corrections. Like you know, your memorandum you will receive on Friday, the 15th, the morning, will be sent out via WhatsApp. Here you can find your questions once you've read your CV or the CV, Manla's CV. Where does Manla live? What is his phone number? What school does he go to? And so on. Very straightforward reading comprehension information you need to get from the CV. And then you answer them the same way I did on paper. Then you'll also need to draw the CV from page 99 on your paper in order to create a CV for yourself. Okay, so this CV is for yourself, and this is a basic CV, guys. What is a CV? Okay, first off, it stands for curriculum vitae, which actually means your life path. Now, CVs are usually used when you apply for a job or a position, and this is something that helps the person that needs to employ you, your employer, to show him a little bit more about yourself, to see whether you are qualified for the job, who you are, what are your interests, would he or she be able to get along with you, will you be able to integrate well within the company or the workplace or the people that's already working there. Okay, so this is usually the first step of finding a job or applying for a job. Afterwards, they usually choose the people according to this curriculum vitae, and then you go for an interview. But since you're still at school, your CV will be quite short since you still need to accumulate or gather a lot of work experience, and things you like. I mean, people change over time. So when you look at this, it always includes your name, your birth, your address, things the boss will need to get in contact with. And then hobbies. When you look at hobbies, this is a good start. When a person look at your hobbies, they get a very good idea of who you are and the kind of things you like. Now, when you look at references at the end there, these are usually two people that the person that looks at your CV could call. So it's usually a name with a telephone number. So information basically where they could reach this person, okay? People they can call and ask a little bit more about you, okay? These are references. So please, guys, choose 2 references, but don't choose your mum because they don't count. They'll say anything and because they love you. Okay, so choose an uncle or a brother or a sister, which is a lot better, or maybe a friend you can call. Okay, so list anyone else but your mum. They don't count. Okay, enjoy.